So it's always going on like this. I always remember it that way, you know. What really struck me is the new album by Cranbox. Does it strike you a lot? Because I seen it on your page on Tashi and all that.
Of course, it really takes me away. It takes me somewhere I feel like I haven't been before. It's what I was looking for, so I definitely, I enjoy it. You know what? I
Did you
think,
listen to it on Tashi? I think you posted it on Tashi.
yeah, I posted it on Tashi.
I love it. What's that song again? That beat he has in his other album. He had an other album before, so he's like an underground going artist or something.
Yes, definitely. So the first one was called Frisky Love, and the second one he just put out is called Experience Musical.
Wow.
Uh,
So DJ Hat, tell me really what's the song called? That one song that we he had his other album. What's the song called?
uh, Expérience musicale.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So can we
Expérience
play that
musicale.
song right now? Yeah. Can you start playing the song? Look at the maestro in the back. All right. We have it. Yeah,
Put a
experience
little
musical.
bit up.
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah. Put a little bit up. Yeah, this is a little bit up. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this song, it really struck me because it's really going up really fast. Even on Fresco Radio. No, they playing it.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
shocked. No, because I listen to all the other projects. No, but I listen to the projects and they're like, okay, but why is that song making so much noise?
I don't know. I think it's such
By
a
the
fun
way,
song.
we have the home going. I want to thank big thank you to the Big O Drinks. We love the Big O Drinks. We're drinking them right here.
Okay, but like I was saying, it's such a fun record. He makes. He gives a good mood. The kids love it. The adults love it. The teenagers love it. Everybody
Is
loves
it
it.
the one he premiered on Fresco Radio?
Frosco Radio premiere, yes.
Yeah. Because I seen his documentary on Fresco TV. He had this part on it.
Yes, he had spun on it.
No,
Like I
but
was saying, it was such a funny record because I feel like when you come to that and it just like I said, it was an explosion. People were laughing, people
Cranbox
were
is really
happy.
the one who was back there, and he was saying, I remember generation, his old tracks and stuff. I always said one thing about Cranbox. It's about creativity. Since he came out, 8 is it 8? Is it now 10 years?
10 years.
Wow.
It's
So
just
DJ had you know him for 10 years or is it 8-year gap?
so basically, way back then, there was them La Plaine Marin 11, Marin 12, Marin 13. Uh, we did this little thing called PU.
Wow.
That was when we had like
Was
the
it a
Tafia
group?
days. I used to know there was like a event. It was a group. They used to do events like Tafia days. Which was like a big event down in La Plaine, Marin 11, Marin 12, Marin 13. It was a moment. But after PU, really came to J Hot, and then you had the first album called wow, time flies by so bad. I forgot. The first album, The Dream of a Kid.
Wow. So that's his first project.
Yeah, that was his
So
first project.
full
Yeah.
project.
Full project.
Alright.
Of
Then
course.
he has all these little tape, yellow tape, purple tape, and all that.
Yeah.
I listened to green tape. I love it. It was really the boom of what the Amors and
Pass me
that come.
Lala, pass me the drink.
Lala, you in the back now. Look at Lala. Lala is always saying the same thing every time I see her. No, she's always have that same thing on Tashi.
Yeah.
She's always on Tashi and say, no, she's always on Tashi talking about, what's that thing? Pose, petit, bozo. She's always saying that thing. She got hooked to it. So,
But anyways,
wow. So, can you tell me a little bit more, not only about his album, because today we are not only here to celebrate his, is it his eighth project? Because he's an artist that been here for 10 years now.
yeah, this is F project. I've seen him work. There's a dude that's seen wake up every day and do his thing. He never complain about his work. you always send me new projects, you always send me new ideas. So, shout out to Crayon Box and the whole team. Shout out to Fabulous Damas. Shout out to, shout out to everybody doing their thing. I feel like, the game opened up a lot. It's new ideas, new generation for everything.
So
and
what's
I-
the first time that you and him perform alongside? The
So-
crowd, I heard it was like 5,000 people and up.
okay,
That's
so,
crazy for no artists at
yeah,
that
of
time.
course. It was a party they call
Was it was on the rise back then.
it was on the rise, and it was the first joint was the Negeke party, White Man T-shirt party.
Wow.
We did a White Man T-shirt.
Yeah, I
It was a
remember Mario dans
success.
mon pantalon came after.
Yeah, Mario
Wow, wow,
Demo.
wow, this is a good one. This is Numbers freestyle. Wow, so you're saying this is the first Fresco beat?
First beat.
Wow.
Let's listen to it. Very smooth,
Yeah. This once you makes you wanna drink something outside, looking at cars pass by or looking at people pass by and just enjoy a good drink outside.
Yeah. Very good song, very good loop. He did what he did. People loved it for that. I feel like, especially for the fashion world, it's such a big song. Yep.
Yeah. I mean, I love listening to right. This is a good one.
Okay.
Hello.
It's over.
Perfect.
Perfect.